This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb in a Hyundai Genesis Coupe. First, park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine completely. Make sure the headlights are cool to the touch before you begin. You will need a new replacement H7 bulb, which you can find at any auto parts store, and possibly a Phillips head screwdriver. This process is designed to be simple and quick. Now, open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see two 10mm bolts on top of the headlight housing. Use a socket wrench to carefully remove these two bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward a few inches. This creates enough room to access the bulb without fully removing the bumper. With the headlight pulled forward, you can now reach the bulb. Twist the power connector counterclockwise to detach it from the bulb. Next, unclip the small metal retaining wire that holds the old H7 bulb in its housing. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. After installing the new bulb, reattach the power connector by twisting it clockwise. Before fully reassembling, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, push the headlight assembly back into its original position and reinsert the two 10mm retaining bolts. Tighten them securely, but do not over-tighten. Also, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.